What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to rate and review restaurants in BiteSight. You can see that this is Felis. If we scroll down you can see that this is Avo, and if we scroll down you can see Lon Larb Chan Mei. So if we want to have a rate or review of this restaurant, you can simply look at the right side of your screen. There is a column where you have save, share and reviews. Tap on reviews. And then you can see right there at the top the name of the restaurant, the current rating on Google, the current rating on BiteSight, and of course if you're following it. This is a summary which is AI generated, but of course you have the option to rate this place. You can see at the bottom here other ratings, but if you want to proceed with your rating or review, you can tap and rate this place. And then of course you have the option to say gas, mid or ass. These are the different options available. So if you want to, you can say gas and you can see all done. The ratings have been done to this restaurant. Of course, this can be done after you've had a meal there in order to have a proper review of this. Tap on done and you're done with your rating. So this is how to rate and review restaurants in BiteSight.